Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Fringe channel, your go-to destination for health and fitness tips. In today's video, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, to accelerate your weight loss journey. But before we jump into the workouts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our energizing content. Let's get started. High-intensity interval training is a game changer for those looking to shed those extra pounds quickly. The beauty of HIIT lies in its efficiency: short, intense bursts of exercise followed by brief rest periods. It not only torches calories during the workout but keeps your body burning fat even after you've finished. Now, let's explore some HIIT workouts that you can incorporate into your routine. Number 1. Jumpstart Cardio. First up, we have the Jumpstart Cardio routine. Begin with a 1-minute warm-up, then go all out with 30 seconds of jumping jacks or high knees, followed by a 30-second rest. Repeat this cycle for 15 minutes. It's a fantastic way to boost your heart rate and ignite your metabolism. Number 2. Tabata Torch. Next, we have the Tabata Torch. This classic Tabata-style workout involves 20 seconds of maximum effort, followed by a 10-second rest. Repeat this for 8 rounds, totaling 4 minutes. Choose exercises like squats, burpees, or mountain climbers to keep it challenging and effective. Number 3. Core Crusher. Let's not forget the core crusher. A strong core is essential for overall fitness. Alternate between 40 seconds of bicycle crunches, plank jacks, or Russian twists, and a 20-second rest. Complete 3 rounds for a killer core workout that will leave you feeling the burn. After those heart-pumping sessions, don't forget to cool down. Spend 5 minutes with some light stretching and deep breathing exercises. This helps improve flexibility and reduces muscle soreness. And there you have it. High-intensity interval training workouts designed to supercharge your weight loss. Remember, consistency is key, so find a routine that works for you and stick with it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your workout buddies, and let us know in the comments which HIIT workout is your favorite. Until next time, keep pushing towards your fitness goals. Stay fit, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness inspiration, and as always, thank you for tuning into Healthy Friends channel. See you soon.